garlic, and potatoes. The potatoes is an option. And there's salt, black pepper, and sugar. And of course we need chicken. That's why it's called chicken adobo. And of course vinegar, set right here. And soy sauce. Mommy helped me slice these ingredients because safety first. And this is the oil. Because we need to cook, okay? Need oil. I have a pan, lighter. Let's start. Okay. I know how to do this, okay? Ah, dang it. Yay! The next step is we need to preheat the pan. Now it's okay. So next step, we need the oil. Ooh. Need to put the garlic and onion. Be careful. Whoop. No. The next is ginger. And brown na po. Next is chicken. Ooh, hot. Ayan na po. Golden brown na po siya. Now, the next step is we need to get the chicken in. Then you need to mix. Now, if the chicken is golden brown, the next step is you need to put pepper, black pepper. Yeah. A little bit. Put some pepper. And a bit of salt. Ooh, get some salt. Then we also gonna put potatoes. Pineapple is also an option. Then we will put the soy sauce. Wow. Awesome. More. More. Then of course vinegar. Never knew. Ilalagay na po natin sa plate. Ito na po ang finished product, chicken adobo.